Hi everybody, welcome back. This is a 2017 BMW X1 28i xDrive. We're doing the belt. From up top, it's almost impossible to get to the tensioner, but we rigged it up.
A little ghetto, but it works.
Yeah, so it's good to have two people with us. So here's what we did. We tied a seatbelt around here or any kind of string. And then I got myself an Allen key. 5/32, whatever size fits. And there's a hole right here. See that hole? Right there. A little notch. Let me see if I can point to it. Right here. Get a better angle. This little notch right here. You want to stick it in here, and this is the tensioner. So while he pulls it, pull it real quick, that's gonna move, and you want to stick that Allen key through here and lock it into place. So here we go. So you have your assistant. Pull on the belt. I am gonna stick the Allen key in here, like so. All right, release it.
Released.
All right, and that locks the tensioner in place. And now you can service your drive belt.
That's supposed to be 10 hours.
Supposed to be 5.6 hours. Thank you very much.